what inspired the idea for FIXAR?
Actually, that is very simple. The idea is to help people. And to help people is not just help people save their lives, where nowadays drones are mostly related to some defense border control stuff being popular for search and rescue missions and operations, but also how to make this technology usable by the people who are not making and building models, who don't have this applied math background, or let's say even not for an easy skaters. Yes, so for any person to be really using the systems, they do not need to be pilots. They need some simple tools, easy to use tools. And at the market, actually, maybe you remember, there was a boom of quadcopter systems. Yes,
there were, yeah, in the early days, for sure.
And in the early days, yeah, and they became popular because of simplicity. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the question was, can we build the UAV that is simple, which means takes off and lands vertically like copters, or even more simple than copters themselves, but flies like an airplane, having these endurance characteristics and long distance flight characteristics without complex mechanical parts or tilt systems or any other dead weights, which typically most of the VTOL systems have, because, you know, most of the VTOLs, they are systems of compromises. And what others control by hardware, we wanted to control just by software. That's why like applied math comes in. Yeah, when you have a very simple means reliable and robust hardware parts, that means that the software should be the key point here. But software is way faster to develop and control and adjust rather than the hardware. Yeah. So where everyone else is controlling the modes of flights by hardware, we do that control by software. That was the main reason how to make the system actually reliable, efficient UAV platform ready to perform where others fail.